Welcome student, this is my YouTube channel Educare Maths and Science. Last previous 2 or 3 videos I discussed the basic algebra. You know the like term, unlike term, addition, subtraction and certain process of the multiplication. Okay, so now today I discuss the multiplication in case of algebra, the addition and subtraction. There are two processes, the horizontal and the column process. In case of the multiply, there is also two process. One is the horizontal and one is column process. So now discuss here one sum. Suppose one sum 3x square plus y square, and this you just multiply with 2x square plus 3y square. Okay, so this is a sum. Multiply this with this. I just show you here the two ways. One is the horizontal, one is the column. Okay, so now first one is the horizontal process. In which way? What is the process? So you just multiply this with this and next this with this. Okay, so write horizontal means this one, this way. So write 3x square bracket 2x square plus 3y square. Okay, now plus here is plus y square, and now this is 2x square plus 3y square. No problem, very easy, just you do it. Okay, so in case of the multiply, first you select the sign. You know plus minus 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 plus, already I discussed. So here is no sign, that means the plus. Here is no sign, that means the plus. Okay, very easy. So first then you just multiply the numerical, plus plus plus. So in case of plus I don't write it. Okay, so this is the thing. So now 3 to the 6, x and x same, base are same, so power will be added. 2 and 2 4. Okay, this into this 3 to the 6, x to the power 4 plus 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 3 3s are 9, x square y square. No problem. Now here the next, this is y square plus, here is plus, the plus 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 2, here is 1. So 2x square y square plus plus plus, this is 3y to the power 4. Now the multiplication is complete. Now the next is the rule of simplify. Okay, so rule of simplify. So here is 6x to the power 4. Okay, here is no x to the power 4. So okay, so now this is the x square y square, this is the x square y square like term. In case of simplify, you know very well the same sign, addition. So this is 9 plus 2, 11 x square y square, and this is 3y to the power 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this way actually I call the horizontal process. This is the horizontal process, very easy, just use solve in this way. Okay, now one is the other process that we discuss is the column process. So which one is easier to you? You just solve the sum. Okay, one is the column process. Now just I show you the column process. In case of the column process, first you write this one you upward or this one you upward, no problem at all here. So 3x square plus y square. Okay, so in case of the column process, you write 2x square plus 3y square and multiply side. No problem, clear? This is this. Now here is plus, here you just multiply this with 2. Multiply this with both 2. So plus plus plus. So 3 to the 6, x to the power 4. No problem. 3 to the 6, x square, x to the power 4. Now this multiplied with this multiplied with this. So plus 2 x square y square, No problem. This first part is multiplication is completed. Okay. Now this into this. So first you select plus 3 is the 9 x square y square. So x square y square, the like term just below it. If the other thing you just sign. Okay. So 3 plus sign is plus. 3 is a 9. 3 is a 9 x square y square. Now plus 3 y to the power 4. Okay. Now we add it. In case of simplified rule, add it. No problem. So here is actually 6 x to the power 4. Same sign addition. 9 to 11 x square y square. And now this is 3 y to the power 4. 3 y to the power 4. So this is the answer. So these actually called the column process. So in case of multiply, there is also two process. One is horizontal, one is column. In case of addition, in case of subtraction, that is same. Okay. Now the next one. Just try doing much harder than this. Okay. Now this is very easy. Just to follow the process and rule of multiplication. The sign is very important. Okay. Now suppose here is a sum. Multiply 2x square. Here is a sum 2x square minus 5x plus 4. The sum is multiply this by x square plus 7x plus 8. Okay. 2x square minus 5x plus 4 by x square plus 7x minus 8. Minus, the sum is minus 8. So here is minus 8. Okay, the sign is very important. Minus 8. Now you solve the sum in two ways. One is the column process, one is the horizontal process. Which one is easier to you? Which one is better understanding to you? You solve it. In case I just solve in the horizontal process. Okay, it may be the column process. Now in case of the horizontal process, this multiplied with this, so you separate 2x square. Now you write it x square plus 7x minus 8. Okay. Now here is minus 5x and you write x square plus 7x minus 8. Next you write plus 4 and you write x square plus 7x minus 8. No problem at all. Clear? Very easy. Just to gradually increase. Now the first thing, determine the sign. So here is plus, no sign, that means the plus. Here is no sign, that means the plus. So plus, you know very well. So these are numerical is 1 here. So 2 ones are 2. X square and x square. That means power will be added. 2 plus 2, 4. No problem. Now the plus. Very easy. Just to be, don't to be confused. 7 to the 14. X square and x. So 3x. X to the power 3. Now plus minus 8 to the 16 x square. Be careful in case of sign, in case of multiplication. Okay? No problem at all. Now this is minus, this is plus. So plus minus 5 and there is 1. So 5 first one 5 x and this is x square. So x to the power 3. X to the power 3. Plus minus 5 7 35. X into x, x square. That means here is 1, here is 1. X to the power 2. Minus minus plus, very important. 5 8 40 x. Okay. Now here plus, so plus 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 4x square plus 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 28 x, and this is plus minus minus 4 8 32. Okay, no problem at all. Clear? Now the multiplication is completed. The rule of simplify apply here. Okay, the same or the like term is side by side. First you 2x to the power 4, here is 2x to the power 4, here is x to the power is there? No. Okay, so it is clear. Now this is 14 x to the power cube, 14 x to, here is any cube? Yes, this is the cube. So this and this, so 5 x to the power cube, you take x to the power cube, there is no x to the power cube. Okay, now this is minus 16 x square, you take it, x square, here is also x square, minus 35 x square. Okay, here is also plus 4x square. Okay, x square you taken already, cube is taken. Now the 40x, here is 28 plus 28x, and this is 32. One thing is very important, if you miss any term, you just total calculate. What is the term? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just you rearrange. Okay, now here is the like term, this is no like term, so 2x to the power 4. Here is the like term, x cube and x cube, but the opposite sign. Rule of simplification, opposite sign, subtraction, the sign, which one is the greater value? Here is 14 the greater, so first plus sign. Now the opposite sign, subtraction, 14 minus 5 9, 9x cube. Okay, now here 3 terms, same sign addition, so here is 35 minus 11 51 x square, 6 5 11, 1 in hand, 4 5, and now this is the plus x square. You just solve in the next stage, don't to be happy. Okay, now this is the same plus sign, 40 and 20, the 68x, and this is minus 30. So the next stage you just solve it. So ultimately answer is 2x to the power, just change the pen, 2x to the power 4 plus 9x to the power cube. Here is now the opposite sign, it is greater, so minus sign. So 51 minus 4, that is 47 x square minus 7 4, and this is plus 68x minus 32. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. 2x to the power 4 plus 9x cube minus 47x square, 68x minus 30. So in this way you solve it. This is actually the horizontal process. To me, the very easier horizontal process. So you just do it in the column process also. Okay. So now this is the way. Just I solve this way. So next video I will upload different types of multiply and the harder problem in multiply. Okay. If you understand this, please share and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Thank you student. Thank you.